What's going on YouTube? GeoSnow right here. So in today's video I have important things to discuss about the method to update to 14.3 and jailbreak even though it's no longer signed. You probably remember this method. I made a video back on April 9th in which I showed you step by step in a 9 minutes and 50 seconds long video how to do every single step of it in order to get 14.3 right now even though 14.3 is long unsigned. And there was a good reason for that. iOS 14.3 is currently jailbreakable with both Uncover or Taurine, so you can get a very good jailbreak on a very modern version, which is actually much better than 14.2 or 14.1 or 14.0.1 because those here are actually quite buggy. 14.3 fixes a lot of bugs in the previous versions, so if you're for example running 14.0, 14.0.1, 14.1 or 14.2, it's best to upgrade to 14.3. You're going to stay there for a long time until the next jailbreak for 14.4.2 or 14.4.1 or so will appear, so you would definitely want to stay on a better version, like a more reliable one with less bugs. The reason I'm making this video is that this method I presented here will expire tomorrow. So yesterday my xxdev, the developer of one of the tools used for this method, posted here on Reddit that, quote, "You only have 2 days left to update to 14.3. Don't wait, update." Well, since this post was made 18 hours ago, it means that you only have 1 day left. So if you want to do this method, do it right now. So for those of you who are unaware, what this method allows you to do is to basically update to 14.3 from any version below 14.3. You cannot do this if you're on 14.4 and you cannot do this if you're on 14.4.1 or stuff like that. So if you're on anything bigger than 14.3, that's not gonna work. But if you for example run a very old jailbreak like iOS 12 or 11 or 13 or 13.7 or even 14.0 or 14.0.1 up to 14.3, you can definitely update to 14.3 and of course benefit from all the features of iOS 14 like proper shortcuts and the new home screen with widgets and stuff, and you can get 14.3 while keeping your jailbreak. In fact, you get a new jailbreak. You get Uncover or you get Taurine, which are both very good jailbreaks. This one comes with Cilio, this one with Cydia, but they both work fine. So normally you wouldn't be able to do this because 14.3 is no longer signed and it hasn't been signed in months. However, there was a method that has been discovered in the community which will expire because it's based on a 90 days timer on Apple servers. It's basically for the enterprise market, not for us, but we could exploit it in a way that we can get 14.3 to be updated using the delayed profile. However, this will expire even for the enterprise market on 26th of April, which means that by tomorrow you will no longer be able to do this method ever again, which is bad. So if you missed it, this is the full tutorial, 9 minutes and 50. You can follow it, and using only one single video you can get the method done and be of course on 14.3. So all you need is basically this video. It contains all you need, all the tools, how to use them, and so on. I'm gonna link the video in the description down below, but definitely do it right now. As I said, tomorrow will be too late. So yeah, that's basically it. That's what I wanted to remind you in this video, because after this you will no longer be able to do it, and it's bad because it's a very great opportunity to update to a proper iOS 14 version that doesn't have a lot of bugs, and it's actually a great opportunity if you haven't been updating in a while because you wanted to keep your jailbreak. I know people who have been on iOS 12 for literally years because they were afraid to update because there was no new jailbreak, and once a jailbreak came out, the iOS version was no longer signed, so they couldn't update. So if you're one of those people, definitely update today because tomorrow will be too late. Thank you for watching. I am GeoSnow. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated, and peace out.